think for me the story of Mary Kom is एक छोटे शहर की लड़की, farmers की बेटी, who had it was a difficult time for her. Sports is anyway hard, as everybody knows, in India. So who came up, climbing the rungs with her hard work. And for me, the thing that touched me most about her was how she's still such a real person, and she's a girl. Okay, when you think about a boxer, सोचते हो कि बॉक्सिंग रिंग में इतनी टफ होगी. जब मैं भी पहली बार मिली उससे, शिफॉन पहन के आई थी, नेल पॉलिश लगा के आई थी, आई शैडो, विद द हेयर डन. उसके ग्लव्स के अंदर हमेशा आप देखोगे कि वो नेल पेंट पहनती है, उसका लकी चार्म है. तो शीज़ अ गर्ली गर्ल, which I really liked about her. तो मैंने उसकी, I tried not to make this Rocky Balboa and to give Mary's personality. वो मुझे बात बहुत छुई उसके बारे में. A lot of this film, most of this film is picked up from real life instances of Mary. There's this scene of Mary as a mother and her conflict and everything that happens to her, which for me is something I've not experienced, of course, since I've not had children. So I didn't know that was a really hard moment for me, to be a fighter, a mother, a homemaker, and to be able to balance all of that, I think is one of a woman's most difficult roles. So to be able to bring that to the fore, I think for us was a really big challenge. Is definitely, I would say, the hardest film of my career. But I think for me, my biggest inspiration was Mary herself, and how hard the team worked on making this film happen. I think, Umang and his vision, and how far he wanted to take it, the writers on the film, a very difficult film for everybody. But the inspiration was Mary herself. This is her story, and I was just very happy when, she saw the film. She called me up. She said, she cried in 2-3 places, and she was really overwhelmed. So for me, that's a testament of the fact कि हमने कुछ ना कुछ तो सही किया होगा.
प्रियंका के बारे में बोलूँगा तो बहुत बोलूँगा मैं, तो वो रहने देता हूँ मैं. मुझे
कभी तो सुनने दो संजय, तरस गई हूँ.
मुझे उतना याद है कि 2 साल पहले उमंग मेरे ऑफिस में आया था कुछ यूं ही मिलने के लिए, और लिफ्ट में जा रहा था तो मैं उसको बाय बोलने के लिए गया लिफ्ट तक, और बोला कि मेरे पास एक आइडिया है, एक मेरी कॉम के ऊपर फिल्म है. मैंने कहा डन. लिफ्ट के पास मैंने उसको बोला डन, आई एम प्रोड्यूसिंग इट, यू आर डायरेक्टिंग इट, नो डिस्कशन. मैंने स्क्रिप्ट भी नहीं पढ़ी. So I think that's what that moment is. It's when a film has to happen, वो इतना सिंपली हो जाता है. बड़ी बड़ी मीटिंग्स, लंबे लंबे डिस्कशंस, और एक स्क्रिप्ट को डाइसेक्ट करो, ये करो, वो करो, कुछ नहीं. वो लिफ्ट के बाहर जो हुआ है, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी that moment I think always cherish all my life, because these are the moments that make a film like this and something that we are so proud of. So that is about Umang. और ये रोल जो प्ले करने के लिए मेरी कॉम का, मुझे लगता है हमारा ये जो एटम बॉम्ब है, ये जो पीसी है, ये जो उससे बेटर नहीं हो सकता. अगर हॉलीवुड के पास हिलेरी स्वैंक है तो हमारे पास प्रियंका चोपड़ा है. ये मैं आपको दावे के साथ बोल सकता हूँ.
We've taken a lot of Manipuri actors, northeastern actors per se, and to make it more authentic, जो crucial parts जो play करे हैं other than Priyanka are basically northeastern Manipuri people, good actors that.
And also, I think Umang had an idea that he wanted to push talent from the Northeast as much as he could. When Sanjay sir and Umang used to have these conversations in office, I remember that we talked about the fact that we don't have Northeastern talent as much in the Indian film industry, and there is so much of it. So they were very sure that they wanted to push that, so that these so actors from the Northeast and talent from the Northeast at least gets a platform on a film which is about the Northeast. जी, मैंने एक लोरी गाई है इस फिल्म में, जो एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट वक्त पे आती है फिल्म में. It's a very intimate conversation between the mother and her child, and yeah, it was fun. Shashi, it was a good tune. Thank you. ये पहली बार है जहाँ पे एक फीमेल एथलीट के ऊपर इस फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में फिल्म बनी है, एंड आई थिंक उसका ओहदा आपको छोटा नहीं करना चाहिए कह के कि ये एक ट्रेंड है. मेरी एक बहुत ही हमारे देश का अनमोल रत्न है, एंड आई थिंक उसको वो अहमियत देनी चाहिए. इट्स रियली डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल टू से कि ये एक ट्रेंड है. I punch people all the time.
One person in real life that you
Sir,
would-
beware. कोई एक ऐसा इंसान नहीं है जो मेरी कहर का शिकार होगा.
बहुत है.
काफी हैं. I think you'll see that. I think every woman becomes different. She changes as soon as she's a mother, and that is an important chapter in Mary's life in the film as well.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.